Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show around this fantastic Peugeot Partner TP in the Allure specification. So this vehicle is just £20 a year to tax. It features front and rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. The touchscreen has DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay and Bluetooth connectivity. There's also air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and you get cruise control with the speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.6 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 100 horsepower. It's done less than 8,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.